Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in my previous video, I have already completed the exercises of chapter number 5. And student, today's video, I am going to explain the next new poem that is given after the chapter number 5, that is The Wind and the Rain. Okay student? So for that, first of all, you all take out your new Champs English Reader book and open page number 35. On page number 35, there is a beautiful poem, and the title of this beautiful poem is The Wind and the Rain. Student, tell me what's the title of this beautiful poem? The title of this poem is The Wind and the Rain. Okay? So first of all, we have read, and after that I will explain this beautiful poem to you. So let's start the recite of this poem. We're going to recite this beautiful poem. So student, there is a first line that is given. Like the wind I run, like the wind I run, like the rain I sing. Okay, there is a line. Like the wind I run, like the rain I sing. And next to stanza there is a like the leaves I dance, like the earth I am still. Student, it is a very beautiful poem of 4 lines, so we have to read again and again this given lines. That is, first line is like the wind I run, like the rain I sing, like the leaves I dance, like the earth I am still. So student, in this poem, this beautiful poem is written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, this beautiful poem is written by Ruskin Bond, and the name of the poem is The Wind and the Rain. And in this poem, the poet is comparing himself with the wind, rain, leaves and earth. As we can see, there is a name of wind, rain, leaves, earth and rain. Okay student? Here the poet is saying that he runs like the wind, sing like the rain, dance like leaves and be still like earth. So first 2 lines, like the wind I run, like the rain I sing. So in these 2 lines, the poet is comparing himself with rain, with wind and rain. He wants to run like a wind and he sings like a He run like a wind and he sing like a rain. Okay student? So, in this 2 lines, the poet is comparing himself with wind and rain. Like the wind blow, he run and he sing like the sound of this rain. Okay? So, these are the thought of the poet, that he wants to run like wind and sing like a rain. Now the last 2 stanza, these 2 lines. Like the leaves I dance, like the earth I am still. So in this last 2 lines, the poet is comparing himself with the leaves and the earth. As we can see in the line that like the leaves I dance and like the earth I am still. So in these 2 lines, the poet is comparing himself with the leaves and earth. Okay, just like it means the poet dance like the leaves, move here and there while the wind blow, and the poet is stable and calm like the earth. Okay. So dear student, through this chapter, through this beautiful poem, the poets want to do this all activity by himself, like he wants to run like wind and sing like a rain, dance like a leaves and still like a earth. Okay, so this is the beautiful poem that we have learned. So dear student, you also learn and write this beautiful poem in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, so now we moving to the exercises that is given on page number 36. So let's do the given exercise. So what will we do? So student, first of all, we have to, what can the children do? Tick the sentences that are true. Okay, we have already learned the poem that the children wants to run like a wind, sing like a rain, dance like a leaves and still like a earth. So according to the poem, we are going to solve the given exercise. In this exercise, we have to take that sentences that are the children wants to do. Okay. So student, this is first, the children can run like the wind, fly like a bird, sing like the wren, dance like the leaves, plot like a cloud, and be still like the earth. So tell me which one is the correct according to the poem. So the children can run like the wind. So yes, it is true. So we have to take it. Second is fly like a bird. Yes, they wants to fly like a bird. Sing like the wren. Yes, they want to sing like a wren. Dance like the leaves. Yes, they want to dance like the leaves. Float like a cloud. No, they can't. So we have to cross it. Next is be still like the earth. Yes, they want to still like a earth. Okay students, so like this you have to take the correct activity that children wants to do. Now the next, in second, in exercise B, what will we do? So in second, read aloud with your teacher. So student, you must be read this given word with me. Okay. So let's start the reading of this given word. So there is a first is AI. We have to learn AI words. So first is RAIN, rain. RAIN, rain. Student, you repeat after me. RAIN, rain. GAIN, gain. GAIN, gain. MAIN, man. MAIN, man. PAIN, pen. PAIN, pen. STAIN, stand. STAIN, stand. Next, the word of double O. So BOOT, boot. BOOT, boot. COOL, cool. COOL, cool. TOOL, tool. TOOL, tool. SOOT, hood. SOOT, hood. And POOL, pull. POOL, pull. Okay. Now the next words of ALL. So let's start the reading. That is BALL, ball. BALL, ball. CALL, call. FALL, fall. HALL, hall. TALL, tall. So dear student, you also learn this given words. So one more time we are going to read this given words again. So first is RAIN, rain. GAIN, gain. MAIN, main. PAIN, pen. STAI, stand. BOOT, boot. COOL, cool. TOOL, tool. SOOT, hood. POOL, pull. Next is BALL, ball. CALL, call. FALL, fall. HALL, hall. TALL, tall. So my dear student, you may be learn these all words in your previous classes, but now you must be read and write down in your notebook. Okay student? So student, now after completing this exercise B, we moving to the next exercise that is given in exercise C. So what will we do in this given exercise C? So it's a fun time for you. So in this exercise, Minnie is on the swing. Minnie is on the swing. So take Ali and Sarah to Minnie. Okay, Minnie is on the swing. So take Ali and Sarah to Minnie. So we have to find out the way for Minnie and Sarah. Okay, for Ali and Sarah. So let's find out the way. So we have to start it from here. That is arrow is shown. Dear student, like this we have to race to the Minnie. Okay student, we have to find out the way. Like this you have to go and find the way. Okay student, so like this you have to take Ali and Sarah to Minnie. Okay student, so like this you have to complete this all exercises of your poem. So I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this all exercises in your book, and after that you may also write down this beautiful poem in your notebook after learning. Okay student, your homework is you have to learn this beautiful poem, and after that you have to write down in your notebook with a good handwriting. Student, you must be remember that your handwriting should be neat and clean. Okay, is that clear to everyone? So I hope you all understood. So that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.